Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you a haul video and also an enabler alert for Heartfelt Creations. I received an email from them yesterday or today, I forget, in which they say that it's getting pretty close to the last day, and I see right over here that the last day for this bundle is tomorrow on the 26th. And I was looking at their bundle, and it's a really great deal, and I went ahead and got it. But what's really great about this deal is, let me show you, you're gonna get all these beautiful, if purchased separately it's $120. If purchased in this sale it's $102. But here's the thing, if you have never ordered from the Heartfelt Creations website, you can use my coupon code to get $20 off of this price right here. And so you would be paying like what, $81.97, $82 instead of the full price, which is like $120, and the sale price, which is $101. So that is a really great deal. And for that coupon to work, it would have to be a first time purchase from their website. And let me show you real quick what you get here. You're going to get these dies, these set of dies. You're going to get these sets of dies, and you're going to get this set of dies, and I love this. And what I'm liking about these dies is that they match their papers. Every single one of their papers has those shapes, and this is just a regular arrow shape. And so believe me, for the past hour I've been trying to die cut or what do you call it, cut out my shapes in my brother's Scan and Cut, and it's just not picking it up. And I was like, you know what, Sandy, just the dies are on sale, go ahead and get them, and that'll be the end of that. Then I can just use the dies not only in their beautiful papers but also like these ornamental dies, wow, in everything else. And I really like that. And so anyways, yeah, so I wanted to show you that, and let me just switch my screen so that I can show you what I got. Hang on a second, okay, this is the bundle 0820-2. And on this screen right here, I'm showing you the email that I received once I placed my order. So as you can see, I went ahead and I purchased that die bundle along with a some glue, because I'm running low on glue. And the reason why I'm showing you this screen is because I don't want you to think that I'm just all talk and so forth and so on. But the stuff that I show you in my videos, I'm actually buying, and I buy them when I think it's a really great deal. And so, yeah, that's what I wanted to show you with the Heartfelt Creations. And thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye-bye.